Thank you to our customers in the Democratic Republic of Congo for purchasing our EA640F2 indoor LED display. This display is popular for its exquisite appearance and excellent visual effects, and is designed for high-end indoor applications. The LED module, power supply, and receiving card of EA640F2 are all front-mounted, making the maintenance of the screen more convenient and quick. Users can easily replace and repair from the front, which greatly improves the maintenance efficiency. This display not only has excellent picture quality and stable performance, but is also very suitable for indoor fixed installation. It is an ideal solution for various commercial displays, conference rooms, and exhibition venues.